Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Lydia Marie. Welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, is the day I got my brand new Fenty Gloss Bombs in the mail. The cream gloss bombs are here and I got mine in the mail today. So I wanted to come today and literally unbox them and try them on live and in living color. I didn't even swatch them this afternoon when I got them. I was so busy. So I was like, you know what? Today, I'm just going to do it live. I'm going to take them out the box. I'm going to swatch each color and I'm going to give you my real-time thoughts, which is something I normally don't do. You guys know I'm kind of aware and then come back and buy, but I was so excited about these glosses. As you can see, these colors are just amazing, and I bought 3 of them. I bought 3 of the colors. I didn't go all 5 because 2 of them I was kind of like, you know, do I need these? I don't know. So I bought 3 colors. So I'm gonna do the swatches. I'm gonna try them on and I'm gonna give you my thoughts. This will not be a super long video, I promise. It's gonna be super easy, super fun, super cute, as you can see. And I'm gonna give you my thoughts on these Fenty Gloss Bomb Cream glosses. I hope I'm saying that right. If you wanna see how they look on me, I hope that you will keep watching. The first shade that I'm trying on is the shade Cookie Jar. And according to the website, this is a chocolate caramel color, which, as you can see, it is. Look how shiny this is. This is like 1.5 coats. Like, I just want to smear it on. It's so freaking pretty. But this is like 1.5 coats. So you can see how pigmented these glosses are already. And I'm going to give you a swatch. And you can see, just look at that. That's just one swatch of this gloss. That's just one swatch. So this color is the one that I put in my cart first. When I saw it, I was like, I do not have a chocolate creamy gloss. You guys know I have the Fenty Hot Chocolate in the small gloss bomb, but that has shimmer. And this is the great thing about these glosses. They do not have any shimmer. For those of you who don't like metallic or glitter or anything like that, these are strictly cream. And as you can see, I just tried this on and this is the color. Tell me how bomb this is. I think this is so bomb. Like, I'm definitely going to be reaching for this one. I already know because I have been wanting a color like this for so long. So Cookie Jar, this nice chocolate color, bomb. I'm feeling it. So the next shade I want to try is called Honey Waffles. And this is their Honey Butter Brown. It's a little bit more neutral, a little peach shades. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this. I thought this color was interesting and I hope it's not too cool tone for me, but it looks really pretty. So let's swatch it. Ooh, that is pretty. So that's like a peach. The website says it is like a honey butter brown. So yeah, I can definitely see the honey in there. And let's try this on. Let's try this on. Ah. Hey y'all, look at this color. This is so beautiful. I was not expecting this to be this much neutral, or this neutral. I can't talk tonight. Oh my God. But it is truly like a honey colored. I think this will look amazing if you have a darker skin tone, like a chocolatey mocha brown. I think this is gonna look amazing on my brown skin girls, for real. Like, I'm not even gonna kid you, but this formula, like, I didn't even put a lot on, but I'm about to slather some more on because it's so pretty. And you gotta put it on like Rihanna. You know how Rihanna be like this. All that in the camera. Oh yeah, baby. This color is gorgeous. I was not expecting this. It was a pleasant surprise, but this is in the shade Honey Waffles. I'm really loving it. As you can tell, I got it everywhere. However, you can see the color of this gloss, and I think this is just freaking gorgeous. Look at the swatch again, so you can kind of make a determination. I feel like this would be bomb over some dark brown lipstick, and like put this on top to really elevate it a little bit. This is amazing. This is really pretty. And this is the shade Honey Waffles. Okay, let's get into this last shade here. And this is in the color Fruit Snackz. And you know I was gonna get the red gloss. I mean, please ask about me. You know how I feel about red lips. They are my thing. So you know I was picking up Fruit Snackz, and this is a color that is berry red. And we'll go ahead and swatch it, see how it looks. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, that is gorgeous. Oh my God. Let me try this one on. This is bomb. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Man, that is insane. This is so pigmented. This is not your average gloss that's super sheer. This color is just crazy. Look at this, just one swipe on my hand. This is definitely an everyday red. I love this one. I'm surprised. I'm pleasantly surprised at these colors. Like, I was feeling cookie jar, but I'm pleasantly surprised at the other two colors that I got. Kind of makes me want to go back and get Mauve Wives, the pinkish purpley one, now that I can see the formula and everything. But Fruit Snackz. I like this. This is really nice. So these are the three colors that I chose. I chose the Fruit Snackz. I chose this beautiful Honey Waffle. And of course, a cookie jar. Those are the three that I wanted to choose. Those were on the farther end of the spectrum. They do offer two more shades, which is the Fenty Glow and the Mauve Wives, which is, I believe, a purple pinkish shade, but I didn't get those two. I wanted to kind of hold off, but these darker colors for winter and fall, that's what I really wanted. So you get the full size in these. And then you have, of course, the Fenty Dough Foot Applicator, as usual. You know, the applicator is nice and big, so you get a lot of product, get a lot of payoff. These are $19 each, and you get 0.3 ounces in each one. So it's a full size. It's a real nice size set of gloss. These are like the original gloss bombs, the same size they came in. But I'm pleasantly surprised at these. I really am feeling this red, and I'm really feeling this Honey Waffles. Like, this is gonna be like my everyday color, like something I put in my purse and just put on and go. But it feels so good. They're not sticky. If you're familiar, of course, with the Gloss Bomb formula, you know the other ones have the sparkle in them, like the little metallic or glitter in them, so you can kind of feel it, but not overwhelmingly so. But these are just super duper smooth. This is my first time. Like I said, I literally just unboxed them. Here's the box. I just took them out the package, and here's the box. So I literally am unboxing, trying it on, and gushing over these glosses that I just got today. But so far, the three that I got, I'm loving. Like, these colors are just beyond pigmented. So I feel like these, I think if you order now, you could get them by Christmas Eve. That's what they're saying on the website. If you order now, like, you know, Christmas is next week, but I definitely feel like these are going to make some amazing stocking stuffers, and just to have, because it's Tuesday, I mean Monday or whatever, you know what I'm saying? But again, I feel like Fenty has really put their foot in their formula. They have been consistent to me with the Gloss Bomb formula, and I feel like the cream formula is no different. So right now, I'm loving them. Of course, I'm gonna wear them. Of course, you're gonna see them on my Instagram. Of course, you're gonna see them a lot more on my channel. So, you know, but first impressions of these glosses, I definitely would give them 2 thumbs up. They are bomb. Guys, thanks so much for tuning in once again for my quick review of the Fenty Cream Gloss Bombs. Let me know in the comment if you'll be picking them up. Let me know which color was your favorite, the ones that I tried on today. As usual, thanks so much for rocking with me. Hello to my new subscribers. I've gained a few of y'all since last week, I believe, so welcome. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that notification button so you never miss an upload. I'll be coming back with you all really soon, I think before Christmas, and then after that, I'll be taking a break until the new year from everything. I'm off work and everything. So I'll be uploading something, I believe, before Christmas. And then after that, I will see you guys prayerfully in 2021. Thanks so much for rocking with this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it on your story. Share it on your Instagram. I will link my Instagram and blog down below. But again, if I don't see you guys, happy holidays. Be safe out there. Keep wearing your mask. and go get some Fenty Glow and let me know what you think. See you next time.